I'm doing the tutorial that I promised last video. So, master the handstand. 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 And master the handstand while bending your legs. Then you'll grow up the confidence to do this. Oh yeah, and also learn how to do the wheel pose.